Cyber Monday is here, which means, as you guessed, all of the companies have extended their Black Friday sales for at least one more day, a couple of which have actually changed their sales. So we're here to update you on what's new. Welcome back to the lab where our opinions cannot be bought. We made Black Friday sales videos for both power stations and solar gear that we shared with you guys on Friday. Tiny Baby negotiated some really good exclusive discount codes that stack on top of all of these brands' Black Friday sales to save you guys as much money as possible over the weekend. Some of these discounts that you got were admittedly the best deals on the internet.
They were the best deals on the internet, and I put in months and months and months and quite possibly years.
Okay, okay. Even if by only 1%. We were able to get you guys discount codes that saved you the most money possible. Lucky for you guys, our discounts still work on these Cyber Monday sales. A lot of the deals did stay the same. A couple of them have changed a little bit. So we're gonna update you guys because this is quite possibly the last chance that you will get this year. It is the last chance you'll get this year to get deals this good.
Yeah, to get deals this good, 100%. Otherwise, you gotta wait all the way to next year.
Same deal as the Black Friday videos. We will leave timestamps to all the stuff that we talk about so you guys can kind of zip around and find what you're looking for, as well as discounts and links in the description down below to try and make this as easy for you guys as possible. Copy and paste the coupon so you make sure there's no typos or anything. Little disclaimer, everything that we mentioned is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you guys any more money. In fact, it saves you more money and it allows us to reinvest in the team here and keep making better videos for you guys. Starting with Signature Solar, whether you're looking for solar panels, batteries, inverters, this is like the go-to store that we recommend to all of our friends and family. If we trust them, it's a good place to shop. They have a couple different sales now than they did on Friday. Most importantly, no matter what you're getting on their website, the code TheSolarLabGet50 saves you an additional $50 off all orders, no matter what they are. Today, Signature Solar is having a little bit of a different sale than they did on the weekend. They're having 8% off kits and bundles. Basically, if you bundle like batteries and inverters, you could also add solar panels, you get up to 8% off. Our code stacks on top of that. And if you don't know exactly what you need, you could just call in, have a legible conversation with them. They will point you in the direction of a kit that best suits your needs. That's what we would recommend doing. Instead of just guessing, just call in, speak with someone, you'll be set up. They also say that they're having their best deals on panels all year. They said they're having limited stock because obviously a ton of stuff sold over the weekend. They don't have like a specific price because different panels cost a different amount, but they've told us that this is their best pricing on panels that they have had all year. Again, the coupon code stacks on top of that. They also have $100 flat rate shipping on orders over 3,000. But no matter what you're looking for on their site, the code TheSolarLab50 gets you an additional $50 off everything. Next up with Pecron, they have the same prices that they were having on Black Friday, but they're worth noting because a lot of brands will say something's on sale and it's not. Even Pecron's guilty of this all year. But right now, their sale price is better than the pricing was just a month ago. So this is actually the cheapest we've seen Pecron units all year. And you can use the code TheSolarLab5. It will get you 5% off plus free shipping, which is huge. We also just published a video on their expansion battery, the EP3000. If you guys haven't seen that yet, I would highly recommend you go check it out. It's like the best deal. Not only is it just an expansion battery, but you could use it all on its own. There's people who just buy this battery and create little DIY power stations with the battery. It's a cool system, super cheap. Go check out that video or just head over to Pecron's website and use the code TheSolarLab5. Anker SOLIX on Cyber Monday, you can get up to 64% off plus an additional 5%, which makes it 69. If you use the code TheSolarLabPD. Anker is definitely one of our favorite power station brands when it comes to attention to detail and actually having good customer support. They're probably the only power station brand that has good customer support. They pay attention to the little details. It makes their power stations stand out above other brands. We really like them, and right now they're obviously on a pretty good sale. We would recommend checking out something like the Anker F3800 Plus, the new F3000, the F2600. It's getting old, which means it's going to be getting cheaper. Fire unit. And if you're looking for something smaller, the C800X.
Your favorite unit.
Favorite unit Anker's ever made. BLUETTI, Cyber Monday. Save up to 65% off plus an additional 5% off with the code TheSolarLab5. Covers anything site-wide. That's 70% off.
I don't know if that actually is technically, because like the 65% off the retail price we'll make it a little bit less, and then you add 5% on that. I don't think it's technically 70, but it's pretty fucking good.
Oh, science with Tiny Baby.
BLUETTI's units this year actually really impressed us. The Elite 100 V2, 200 V2, and the Apex 300 and Elite 400 were all very, very good units. We would highly recommend you guys check them out. Last up, we got Shop Solar. Shop Solar is like the go-to place we recommend if you're trying to get a power station in a bundle. They also have tons of solar gear that you can get in bundles and stuff like that. They do a really good job of making kits more affordable than you would find them elsewhere. They'll take a name brand power station and put it with a different brand solar panel to actually make it affordable, because a lot of name brand solar panels, power station wise at least, are stupid expensive. Highly recommend that. They're having up to 30% off site wide, which is actually a really good sale. Free shipping over 7,500.
Yeah, it's a little high.
It's a little high, but if you spend that much money, your shipping would have been like thousands. So that's actually huge. That's actually a really good savings if you're spending. And with Shop Solar, if you use the code THELAB, it will get you 4% off everything on their website. It's an additional 4% off, and it is the best discount code that they have available on their website. Tiny Baby's scoured the internet checking. He says that's just another one that you can't beat. And actually last is DJI. DJI, two codes we have for you guys from DJI. Basically they're Power 2000 and Power 1000 V2, which is a little bit better, has a couple extra plugs and ports. We have a discount code for each. You can get 5% off the Power 2000 with the code TheSolarLab2000. And for the Power 1000, you can use the code TheSolarLab401, because the SolarLab 1000 would have been too easy.
Yeah.
So saves you an additional 5% off that unit as well. Both of them we highly recommend. That is it. A couple things changed, a couple things got better, a couple things stayed the same. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already. We try to do sales videos like this every sales period to help you guys save as much money as possible, because a lot of this stuff is great, but it's expensive. So the more of your hard-earned money you can save, the better. Everybody make sure you guys like the video, to thank Tiny Baby for all the hard work that he's put in arm wrestling these brands who quite honestly don't want to give you guys discount codes at all. So that's all we got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will catch you next time. Peace out and stay charged.